Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex blockchain concepts into bite-sized, easy-to-understand pieces. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super important for anyone working with smart contracts: gas optimization. So, whether you're a developer, a trader, or just someone curious about blockchain technology, stick around. Let's get started. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is gas optimization in smart contracts, and why should we care about it? Well, gas is a crucial part of how transactions are processed on the Ethereum network, and optimizing it can save you money and improve your contract's efficiency. So, let's break this down. First things first, let's talk about what gas is. In the Ethereum blockchain, gas is a unit that measures the amount of computational effort required to execute operations, such as transactions or smart contract interactions. Think of it like fuel for your car. Just like you need gasoline to drive, you need gas to power operations on the blockchain. Now, every operation you perform, whether it's sending ETH, executing a smart contract, or interacting with a decentralized application, requires a certain amount of gas. Users pay for this gas with Ether, and the price of gas can fluctuate based on network demand. This is where gas optimization comes into play. Let's take a look at a simple example. Imagine you have a smart contract that tracks the balance of users in a token system. A poorly written function might look something like this. This function is straightforward, but if our smart contract has a large number of users, querying the balance for each user could become expensive. Instead, we could optimize it by caching frequently requested data or even combining multiple operations into one. For example, we might implement a batch request function to retrieve multiple balances at once. Next, let's discuss loops. Loops are often a significant source of gas consumption. If you have a function that loops through an array to perform actions, it can become costly. For instance, consider this naive implementation that iterates over a user list to calculate totals. While this function works, it can consume a lot of gas if the user's array is large. One optimization could be to maintain an updated total balance whenever users deposit or withdraw. This way, we avoid the need for loops entirely. Now, why does this matter? Well, gas prices can vary greatly. As of late 2023, gas prices have been known to fluctuate between a few cents to several dollars per transaction. For example, during peak network usage, a transaction that costs 10 gwei could suddenly spike to 100 gwei. This means that a simple transaction could go from costing $1 to $10 in a matter of moments. So, by optimizing your smart contracts, you can significantly reduce the gas fees associated with deploying and using them. According to a study by concise, gas optimization can save developers anywhere from 10% to over 50% in transaction costs, depending on the complexity of their contracts. Another important aspect of gas optimization is understanding gas limits and transaction reverts. If your transaction runs out of gas before it completes, it will revert, and you'll still be charged for the gas used up until that point. This can be frustrating and costly. To avoid this, developers can set reasonable gas limits and include checks in their smart contracts. For example, using the require statement effectively can prevent unnecessary gas wastage. Here's a quick example. This check ensures that users can only withdraw what they actually have, preventing unnecessary gas consumption from reverts. In summary, gas optimization in smart contracts is all about making your code more efficient to save on transaction costs and improve performance. By understanding how gas works and implementing best practices like reducing loops, combining functions, and using efficient data structures, you can make a significant impact on your smart contract's gas consumption. So the next time you're writing or deploying a smart contract, remember these tips. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational content about blockchain technology. And if you have any questions or topics you want us to cover next, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!